Before you fall in love with a house and make an offer, there are 3 things you need to check. Skip these and you could be looking at thousands of dollars in surprise costs after closing. Let's break them down. Number 1. The roof. A new roof costs anywhere from $5,000 to $15,000. So before you buy, look for curling shingles, missing tiles, or water stains on the ceiling inside. Ask the seller when the roof was last replaced. If it's over 20 years old, factor a replacement into your offer price. Number 2. The foundation. Walk around the entire house and look for horizontal cracks in the exterior walls. Inside, check for doors that stick or won't close properly. Uneven floors are a red flag. Foundation repairs can run from $3,000 to $30,000. Get a structural inspection if anything looks off. Number 3. The plumbing. Turn on every faucet. Check the water pressure. Look under sinks for water damage or mold. Ask about the age of the water heater. A sewer line inspection costs about $200 up front but can save you $10,000 in emergency repairs. Roof. Foundation. Plumbing. These 3 systems are the most expensive to repair and the most commonly overlooked during a home tour. Check them before you make an offer, not after you close. Here's the reality. Most buyers fall in love with the kitchen and the paint colors. Those are cheap to fix. It's the bones of the house that cost you. A fresh coat of paint is $2,000. A bad foundation is $20,000. Always look past the staging. My recommendation? Always get a professional home inspection. Hire your own inspector, not the seller's. Add a sewer scope inspection. And if the roof is old, negotiate a credit or a replacement before closing. I'm Montoya Jeter with Property Wiz Inc. We help homebuyers and investors make smart, informed decisions. Visit PropertyWizInc.com for more tips, resources, and consultations. Because buying a home should be an investment, not a surprise. I'm Montoya Jeter with Property Wiz Inc. For more tips, consultations, and resources, visit PropertyWizInc.com. Subscribe for more Property Wiz Pro tips, and hit the like button if this helped you.